Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to merge products in Shopify using the Merges app. This is incredibly useful if you have duplicate listings or want to combine similar products into one streamlined listing, saving you time and keeping your store organized. First, open your browser and head over to shopify.com. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Shopify homepage where you can access all your store management tools. Now, look over to the left side of your screen and click on Settings. This will open up your store's configuration area where you can manage everything from payments to apps. Within the settings menu, you'll see several options on the left side. Click on Apps. This section shows you all the applications currently installed in your store and gives you access to add new ones. Next, click on Shopify App Store. This is where you can browse and install third-party apps that extend your store's functionality. In the search bar at the top, type in Merges and hit Enter. From the search results, click on Merges AI Merge Product. This app uses artificial intelligence to help you combine products efficiently, pulling all relevant information together automatically. Once you're on the app page, click Install. A new tab will open, asking for permission to access some of your personal and stored data. This is standard for most apps as they need access to your product catalog to function properly. Go ahead and click Install again to confirm. Now, just wait until the installation process is complete. This might take a moment, so be patient while Shopify integrates the app into your store. You'll know it's done when you're redirected to the app's main interface. Once the installation is finished, look to the left side of the screen and click on Products. This will display your entire product catalog. Now, find the products you want to merge and select them by clicking the checkbox next to each product name. You can select multiple products if you're merging more than two. After selecting your products, click the three dots icon, usually located near the top or next to the product list. From the drop-down menu that appears, click Merge Products. This action triggers the Merges app to begin its AI-powered process. The app will now automatically generate all the details for your merged product using AI. It analyzes titles, descriptions, media, variants, and other attributes to create one comprehensive listing. You'll want to wait until this process is fully complete before moving forward. Once the AI has finished generating the merged product details, you'll have the opportunity to review and edit everything. You can modify the title, adjust the description, reorganize media like images and videos, and update variants such as sizes or colors. This step ensures the final product listing matches exactly what you want your customers to see. After you've made all your edits and you're satisfied with how everything looks, click the Save button at the top of the page. This finalizes the merge and updates your product catalog with the new consolidated listing. And that's it. You've successfully merged your products in Shopify using the Merges app, streamlining your catalog and improving your store's organization. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.